With that being said, my final results are I would definitely leave. Hola mi gente, it's your girl Vanessa. Welcome to my world of curls, and today's video is going to be a product review on the Mixed Chicks collection. I have two products that I'm going to use, and it's not only a product review, but it's also a do I still love it. Now, I used to use the Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner, and it was one of my faves, but I tended to go away from it trying new products, and because of the price point, I wanted to try out other things. But going through the drugstore, I was like, let me see if I still love it. And then once I went to go pick it up, I saw the curl sculptor next to it, which I've never actually seen before, or I've never paid attention to before. So I was like, well, why not give it a shot? I wanted to give in the leave-in conditioner and the styling product together to see if they work well together or if they work well separately. So if you guys want to see how these products work, keep on watching. Now, the main description on the bottles, you can see it's in like different font sizes. It's the curl defining blend for multi-textures. Whether you're black, white, Latin, Asian, Mediterranean, or any glorious combination, this lightweight product locks moisture into curls, waves, and weaves. Now, when I remember using this product, I remember actually not being lightweight. I actually remember it being heavy, which I liked because my hair tends to be very voluminous when it dries. Right now it's damp. I just finished washing my hair, and so I don't like lightweight products because they do nothing for my hair. I need heavy products. So for it to say lightweight, from what I remember, I don't remember it being so lightweight. I actually remember it being very thick. So it's going to be exciting to use this again to see if my memory serves me well or not. And then this is a real review today because I've never actually used this before or seen it. Actually, it's really funny. I've never paid attention to it, but it is the Mixed Chicks Curl Sculptor, and just like the leave-in conditioner, it has different font sizes. The fast drying weightless curl creator provides definition for curly textures, elongates curls, softens and moisturizes with pro vitamin B. Now, realistically, when I was looking at this, what intrigued me was the pro vitamin B. I like products that tend to have vitamins infused into them, so we'll see how it goes. Both of these say they're lightweight, but and it's for every single or for different curly textures. It's going to be very interesting to use. So I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's get into the video. I'm going to go ahead and spray off camera. All right, you guys, so I separated my hair in half, and then we're working with two lower sections. So let's go in with the leave-in conditioner. Now, again, this does have silicone. I read the ingredients on the Curl Sculptor, and it doesn't have, if anybody is out there curious about that. All right, so what I remember, a lot of slip, which I love. My hair is freshly deep conditioned and detangled. I hate wash day. So yeah, as you can see, the slip that I have, I'm gonna coat my ends and really work from my roots to the end. So what I do remember, it's the same thing. It feels really like my hair has a lot of slip. It's really soft. And I do remember what I don't like about it is the smell. It smells like how do you describe it? Like your abuelita's like soap, like, you know. If you don't understand Spanish, it smells like your grandma's soap. Like, it has that very weird like smell. It doesn't smell bad, but it doesn't smell like, you know, flowers or fruits. It almost smells like potpourri. So I'm combing it in, just making sure that my ends are coated, running through the comb to make sure that all the product is getting in. So yeah, a lot of slip from what I remember. So far it's passed the leave-in conditioner slip test. Look at that. Look at that little baby curl. My nails are a joke. Who else hates when their nails are broken or chipped and their hair gets snagged? Now, going with the curl sculptor, it's fast drying weightless curl creator, like I said before, and it's work a generous portion of mixed chicks throughout wet hair, leave in, air dry, and style as usual. Now, this doesn't, I'm not sure if this is a gel. Now, this smells good. This smells really good. It smells like a fruit. I like that. So this is like the consistency of it. It looks like a gel and a cream mixed together. So I'm not testing it with a separate gel just because I want to see how the product acts on its own. I do know that the leave-in conditioner right now, from what it feels like a leave-in conditioner. It feels very soft and moisturizing, and this just feels like a soft gel cream. I can't even describe what it is. It feels very soft and it smells really good. Alright, you guys, so I just wanted to show the difference really quick as I was separating my hair. So my hair is obviously really dry. It has no product. It looks dumb right now. But look at how moisturized my hair looks after finishing this side. The definition is definitely there. It looks nice and juicy. All right, so let me finish the next section. All right, you guys, so as I said before, I stopped using the leave-in conditioner because I wanted to go on the curly girl method journey when I was starting my curly hair journey. And so going on that curly girl method, if you're someone who's aware of how it works, they're against silicone products, and so I stopped using it because one of the main ingredients is silicone in this. But now that I'm not on the curly girl method slash journey for that, and if you guys want to see a video on that, like the video and comment down below on why I'm not against silicone products. I wanted to go back and see if I still liked it. So that's the main reason why I stopped using it, and I want to go back and see if this is still something that I actually like and it's a product I do like. Now, I got both of these products at Target. The leave-in conditioner is pricey. It's $19.99 at my local Target, and I checked online. It's the same price as well. A lightweight product, as you can see. It's very thick. So I'm very impressed with the definition I'm getting. Like, okay. But the real test is how it dries and how it performs in this Florida humidity girl, because that's the real tea. I'll check in with you guys once it's dry. Okay, and this is the final result. So after I let it dry for about 2.5 to 3 hours, this is the final result. I'm really impressed, you guys. I'm really impressed, you guys. My opinion has definitely changed since the first time. So I do have a new haircut since the last time that I filmed this. I have bangs now, my hair is shorter. I actually had to cut it because my ends were not cute, so I had a quarantine cut by yours truly. I tried out the leave-in conditioner when I went out into the water. So we were out in the water. You always take a leave-in conditioner or a conditioner with you to condition your hair if you get salt water in your hair. I can't stress that enough. And honestly, I took it not on purpose, but it was because it was the closest thing that was to me. My hair was so defined. It was a one product thing, which I realized that the leave-in conditioner is more of a cream-based leave-in conditioner. It's not a detangling conditioner. Then the Curl Sculptor, I actually really like for it to be lightweight. It definitely feels like it's lightweight, but when it dries into your hair, it leaves like a hard cast. So both of them together, I thought it was creating a hard cast just because of the leave-in conditioner on its own. The leave-in conditioner, like I said, since it's such a thick consistency, it's not lightweight at all like the bottle claims it is. It left my hair with a hard cast, which I normally enjoy and like in products because for my hair texture, I need something that's gonna hold it, because day 2, day 3, day 4 does not exist in my vocabulary. That being said, I actually have the Curl Sculptor today. So I did not use the leave-in conditioner today. I wanted to try it out by itself since I use both of them together. And this is what my hair looks like. With that being said, my final results are I would definitely leave these products behind. I actually really do like the leave-in conditioner, Curl Sculptor, but both of them leave little pieces of white residue in my hair. And it's not like little, like it's not like flakes, and it's not like dandruff. It's like literally like strips that stay stuck around the curl that I've literally pulled out, and it looks like pieces of toilet paper stuck in my hair. I thought it was a leave-in conditioner because I was going in really heavy with the leave-in conditioner. So when I tried it today, just the gel alone with a separate leave-in conditioner, I still got the same result. And that just hurts because both products are giving me that same thing. So for this to be a $20 product, I love that it's 10 fluid ounces and I really like the consistency of it, but for it to have that little white piece of paper, your product has to be perfect to be $20 for me to keep and continue buying it. And the same thing with the Curl Sculptor, it is on the affordable side. It's about $10 from where I got both of these at Target, and both of them just left me with that. So I'm definitely gonna ditch these. And it's really sad because I remember loving the Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner. It is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys agree with me or disagree with me. What are your thoughts on these two products if you've tried them before? And thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one.